Okay. Come on, Josie. Josie, Santa came.
What? Santa came? Santa ate this.
Oh,
What happened to the elf seeds?
The elf planted.
And what'd they turn into?
Candy canes.
Whoa.
Wait, so who are those SpongeBob presents for? Those are your Santa presents.
Yay.
Oh, just like that, huh? Wait, we gotta wake up Uncle Dylan.
Let's wake up Uncle Dylan.
Yeah, let's